Hi, Sylvia Gorenszach here. How's everybody doing today? Thanks for tuning in. We are going to be doing a Dot-icure ombre using this right here, using my nail right here. So the tools that we're going to be using are a medium-sized dotting tool, the smaller one, and then the small eyelet one here. And also matter of fact to finish off the effect. So the colors that I have here are Paparazzi, Mint Gelato, Sorbetto al Limone, Sultry Sunset, Proposal, and Influencer. So we're going to start off with our medium-sized tip here and with Influencer and just put some random dots here, and you're going to leave a little bit of space in between so that you can fill them in with the smaller end dotting tool. Okay, we're going to just do a gradual shape of a letter S or a little swirl, little snake, whatever you want to call it. Okay, now let's use the smaller end of the dotting tool and place the dots in between. Just do a light tap. Don't let them touch each other or else the dots will run into each other. That's why I said to leave a little bit of space in between. Okay, let's go with our next color here called Proposal. And continue on with the ombre, again leaving a little bit of space in between so you could fill it in with the smaller end dotting tool. Oh, I touched that one. So what we're going to do is make that a little bit of a bigger dot because it ran into each other. That's okay. All right, carrying on with Proposal. Okay, now I'm going to do Sultry Sunset. All right, next one is going to be Sorbetto al Limone. Then we'll go on to Mint Gelato. And then finally Paparazzi. Let's give that a full cure. That is now fully cured, and now we're going to take our matter effect to give that nice matte finish on our nails. I find that this stuff runs pretty thin, but there's a lot on the brush, so you really want to take the excess off the brush. And just apply on the nail like you normally would with any of our polishes, and be sure to cap the edge at the end. Okay, let's give that a full cure. Here you go. Here's the finished product on this hand. I'm actually going to put the Ombre Dot-icure on my thumb as well, but this is with the matte on all the fingers. I love this look. I hope you do too. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like and subscribe, that would be great, and I will see you soon in my next video. Ciao, ciao.